This is the new G60 5 Series. Look at this scratch. Honestly, this isn't even a scratch. It's gouged. Can't be restored. Needs a new lens. But here's the problem. After the accident, nothing turns on. Module, connector. Haven't checked yet. But it doesn't seem major. It should be turning on right now, but nothing. Wait, what? Was it always like this? What's going on? I think I found the issue. See this? This connector is supposed to click firmly into place, but it's not fully seated. It might have come loose from the impact, or maybe it got pulled out during the crash. Let's plug it in properly. There we go. Called it. Wait, let's make sure everything works. Does it do the startup sequence?
Yeah.
Blue line check. Low beam check. High beam working. So yeah, just a lens replacement. This actually happens sometimes. There's barely any slack in the wiring. In accidents, this part usually breaks first, but this one survived. And here. This part is supposed to sit right here, but it looks like it popped out. We'll fix that later. Now I've opened the clear lens. You know Valio, right? This stuff crumbles. Since it's stuck in there, we need to remove it first. Okay. Take it all out. Cornering light too. You can see the tab inside here. Top side is out. There we go. This tab is holding it in place. We need to remove this to release the other tab behind it. Top's out, bottom pulled out. Even though we're just replacing the lens, we pull everything out. The adhesive crumbles and debris gets inside. What is this? Not even taped properly. Half done job. Now the projector is out. See this? The adhesive's crumbling. We barely touched it. That's why we have to remove the projector and clean off all the adhesive. Less effort than silicone, but it creates a lot of dust. So, pros and cons. Pretty clean, right?
Nice.
Not bad. We can reuse the projector as is. All right, main projector going back in. These are acrylic, not glass. We're almost done. Okay. All right. Man, this is way too far in there. Damn.
No way you could plug that in while installed.
Yeah. All right. Good. Let's power it up. Okay. DRL works. Blue line looks good. Nice. Here's the new lens. Technically, we could restore it, but it's just too deep. Way too damaged. So replacement is the only option. Gonna close it up. Let's remove the excess adhesive. This right here. All right, putting it back together. Pop this in too. Okay. Done.